Okay guys, today's a quick video. These are once fired Remingtons. Y'all seen me use them a million times to fold crimp them and reload. That's fine. But a lot of guys are doing the roll crimping thing. And when you have these kind of holes, you can't normally roll crimp because it's a fold crimp. This is a Spin Doctor hull conditioner. You can buy at Ballistic Products, less than $20. And this is what it does. It uses friction to open stuff up. Now technically, even with this is not the greatest of ideas. It doesn't do good with fold crimp holes. But the next new little tool I got, I'm getting ready to show you, to me is a game changer. It's the best roll crimp tool going. And I've got my son's videoing for me, but I've got all of them laying here. Gite, Ballistic Products Originals. They don't compare with this tool. Now that's what it does. It just opens it up a little bit and softens the plastic up. Alright, now I already had to resize and reprime the brass before I did this, because once you open it up like this, it doesn't like to go into your mech over there to resize the brass and everything. With new holes, with the new roll crimp tool, you do nothing. You put your powder, your wad, your pellets, your buffer in it, and you roll it home. And that is the absolute prettiest roll crimp that I've ever seen when it comes to a roll crimp tool. This is the new roll crimp tool from Precision Reloaders. It's a 4-pin reloading tool. It's actually designed by Nick Ross, Fortune Cookie 45 out of California. Debuted this thing back when they were still chrome when they first come out, and I just now got one after Leon Guthrie over in Buck and Slows was telling us how good it was. Well, most time when you hear things how good they are, you take them with a grain of salt. Anyhow, that's the new 4-pin. Alright, here's one of the wads we had already opened up, put buffer in it, the pellets, the wad. It's the 14 pellet double alt load. You rub a little oil around it on a rag. Come down with the roll crimp tool. Real easy. Well, there, folks. And wipe the oil off. Just took a fold crimp hull and we turned it into a roll crimp. Absolutely perfect. Clean as a bell, loading any gun. Well, matter of fact, we'll show you in just a minute. Here's another one. We've already put the pellets, the buffer in. 14 pellets of 33 cal. Now, a regular roll crimp tool, you try to do it on a fold crimp hull, well, you plain and simply have nothing but issues. Once again, folks, there it is. Clean as a bell. Alright. Then you wonder if they work in your gun. There's all 3 of them. I'll drop one up in the chamber. Close it. Slick as a bell. So you can roll crimp, but you're going to need that Precision Reloaders 4-pin roll crimp. Alright folks, thank you, and we'll show you another one later on.